Hey everyone, so I have some fun news for the month of June. Now this is going to be on top of the samples that already come in your kit. So a typical Color Street kit comes with 72 samples. Now you're going to get an additional 72 samples. So they're doubling the amount of samples that a stylist gets when they join in the month of June. So now is a great time to join. And what I really love about this incentive is that samples are a key to building a successful Color Street business. So many times I've had it happen where people were curious about Color Street. They liked the concept, but they were like, I don't really know how these work. I don't really know how to put them on. And once I open that sample pack and show them, or I send them a sample and they can try it for themselves, they fall in love with Color Street. So I have found, and my team has found, that using samples has really been huge in building our customer base and finding teammates. So I really love that Color Street is giving us even more samples that we can use to build our business quickly. So if you've ever wanted to join Color Street, now is a great month to do it. And of course, I would love to have you join my team. If you're interested, I'll put the link below so you can just click that and that will take you right to the page where you can join my team. As you all know, I am passionate about empowering women and helping women to be successful in the direct sales industry. So being a part of my team, you will get my one-on-one attention, and I am going to be with you every step of the way, helping you build a Color Street business. I've been with Color Street almost from the beginning. So I've learned a thing or two, and I am so passionate about helping each one of my team be successful, reach the dreams that they want to reach in Color Street, reach those goals that they have, make an income with Color Street, and I know that it's possible. I know you can do it. I would love to see you there.